Is it falling apart? That's falling apart.
No, this is the sharpest knife we got.
It smells pretty good. Yum! Lamb chop. What did you get it, Rosie? AGP? Oh, Central Market. Must be
I think I'm funny,
expensive. How much at Central Market like this?
What? Yeah.
It's more expensive than AGP. Oh, AGP they don't have it, right? Only Central Market have it. Yeah, I think it's better than Sam's Club. Sam's Club is smaller. And it's New Zealand. This one is not New Zealand, right?
Dips on this one.
So, what is this? New Zealand or American?
New Zealand.
New Zealand, right? It's still New Zealand, no matter what. Lamb chop.
Okay, it's done.
It's done. Oh, Martin's bringing something else. And what is this, Martin? Another lamb.
Those are lamb chops.
Bah, bah.
See, that is just this cut.
That one? Oh,
Yeah.
without the stick.
Right.
This one without the bone. That one is bone
These are
in.
bones too, apparently.
Oh, it's got bone a little bit, yeah.
Some of them have bones.
T-bone.
T-bone. Okay. But why the dog's not reacting? It's like,
She's tired.
am I hungry or what? Ella, am I hungry, Ella?
Did you want to feed her so she won't be so hungry with us?
Feed her with what? With lamb? Does he eat lamb?
I put chicken in
Oh, chicken.
the bag.
She's a dog. She'll eat any kind of meat. Not that it's good for her.
It's not good?
Probably won't hurt anything.